Let's have a look at it. What is going on, BNCG Fishing fan? Welcome back to another video. What? Welcome back to another video. The other day, I talked about it on my story. I said I was gonna start a build series. Well, this isn't even the build series I was talking about on my Instagram story. This is something completely different, but I figured I should go ahead and start this one. So, the other day, I was sitting at home, and my mom came home. She said, hey, you know the neighbors that are moving out? And I was like, yeah. She said, well, they're moving, and they threw out a BMX bike. And I was like, really? And she's like, yeah. And I said, well, is it a good BMX bike? And she said, it looked like a Haro. So, for those of y'all who don't know much about BMX bikes, Haro BMX bikes are pretty expensive. They're pretty pricey. This one in particular, I think it was around $300 to $400. It's a really nice bike, but it needs a little bit of love. So, we're gonna go ahead and start a build series on this bike, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the bike and let y'all know what we're dealing with here. But yeah, as you can see from Dudley, he is in there acting a fool. But yeah, so that's basically what we got going on right here. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna head to Lowe's, we're gonna get some paint stripper, and we're gonna get some new paint for the frame, and we're gonna get it nice and painted up. Do you want out, man? Look at this dude, look at him begging to get out. Come on, Dudley. He knows what's happening. Oh yeah, he's clearing it. Oh, come on, you got it, Dudley. Oh yeah, there you go. Come on. All right, he cleared it. All right, so we're gonna let him walk around, and then we're gonna go to Lowe's, and we're gonna pick up some paint stripper and new paint for this bike. And we're gonna start the series, hopefully today, if not tomorrow. All right, so we finally got the whole thing apart. It is currently the next day, but either way, we got everything apart now. Yeah, wheels over there, frame right there, seat, this piece of yeah, that seat took me forever to get out. Everything's all gunked up, so we're gonna clean all the ball bearings, and we're gonna fix all this up. He's eating a cactus. He's having a little trouble there. Yeah, these ball bearings are absolutely disgusting. Look at these things. He just tore a piece of bark off the tree, and now he's running away with it. Chico, what is that? What are you chewing on? Hey, what is that? Want your bark? Here, I'm gonna throw it. So, let's head over to Lowe's, hopefully. Let's go. Alright, so we are now back at the house. We got 3 cans of Sudden Island Splash. We got a can of Satin Bright White, 1 can of WD-40, a can of Goof Off paint remover. So, hey. Hey! He's biting me, dude. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try it on the bars with the Goof Off and see if it works. Pretty positive it's gonna work. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. So, now let's get started on this project. So you just wanna take your can and you wanna spray nice coat on the bars. Just like this. Nice little even coat on the bars, okay? And then you just wanna let it sit and well, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. The paint gets eaten away and then you scrape it off. So we got our first piece complete. This is our fork. We got it going from the blue into the white, and the reason I did this, I thought maybe we can make this blue fade into white, which would then fade into the white tires that we got going on. But that's gonna be in another video. This video, we're just gonna be obviously stripping them down and getting them painted, and then we're gonna go get all of our components that we need, and then we're gonna start building the bike back up from what we had. It is a complete mess out here. We're getting everything stripped down, we're getting everything painted, so it's coming along great. I'm gonna get back to you in just a second. I'm gonna put this first coat on, and then we'll see where we go from there. Let's do it. So the forks are done. Got them sitting up like this so they can dry in my trusty paper towels. We are waiting on the frame to dry. It is already, what we did here is we made it fade into white where the seat is gonna go, because we're gonna have an all white seat. And right here we made it fade into white because we're gonna have the white tires in the back too. But we're gonna hang these bars up and we're gonna get started painting on these. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the first layer, second layer, third, and the fourth layer is where I start adding in the white tips, like that. Here's 5 and 6. The reason I brought the fade so far out is because obviously I'm gonna have my white grips on here, so you want it to fade after the white grips. So that's why I made this all pitch white, and then it started fading right in here. So it would make it fade into the blue bars. So that's why it's so far up. So don't even worry about this. You won't even see all this because I'm gonna have white grips on here. But yeah, that is how everything is looking right now. So we got everything painted now. As you can see, everything is painted. Now we're gonna head over to Lowe's one more time, and we're gonna pick up some clear coat so we can finish these off tonight. So let's go ahead and go to Lowe's. So let's go. So we are back at the house now. We got the clear coat. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply an even coat to the whole frame and handlebars, and we're gonna leave it out here overnight and let it dry. So let's go and add this clear coat, and then we'll see what's going on there. Like I said, this is not the build series I was talking about on my story the other day. So I'm thinking about actually getting a dirt bike and turning it into a mini supermoto. I don't know if y'all are interested in watching that, but that should be a pretty good video. I don't know, y'all just honestly just let me know, because I'm down to do it. I mean, I'm probably gonna do it anyways, but y'all let me know if y'all wanna see me record that or not. Like, seriously. Alright, so everything is nice and painted. It's clear coated. I changed shirts real quick because I went to the store again. But yeah, everything looking really good. I'm gonna do some little B-roll shots real quick of the parts and stuff. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in part 2. So yeah, we'll see you in part 2.